I don't think that this question is of Olympiad level, but I found this question on the internet, and many students were struggling for the solution. So before going through the solution, first comment the level of the question from 1 to 10. So now let's start. Our question is x square minus x plus 1 over x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 2 over 3, and we need to find this value x plus 1 over x. So let x plus 1 over x is equal to p, and this is going to be our first equation. Now our main equation is dividing our main equation by x, both numerator and denominator by x, we get x square minus of x plus of 1 over x all over x square plus of x plus 1 over x is equal to 2 over 3, or this simplifies to x minus 1 plus 1 over x over x plus 1 plus 1 over x is equal to 2 upon 3. Now here you can see we have just named this value as p, this x plus 1 over x, x plus 1 over x. So this was equals to p. So we get p minus 1 over p plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Now this is just simple algebraic calculation. On cross multiplication, 3p minus 3 is equal to 2p, and sorry, here 1, 2p plus 2. Now subtracting 2p and adding 3, again here subtracting 2p and adding 3, we get p is equal to 5, and this is our required answer. But from equation 1, x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, and this is our required answer. So don't forget to comment the level of this question. Thanks for watching.